Okay, that's supposed to be M51. So, we're going to put back the gamma. It was at 1.41. I want to have the same adjustment as we had for M64, and this was at 180, I believe it was. Boom, all right. So, the dark frame correction, no, I'm going to leave that on actually, hang on. Let's go back to 40-second exposure, the same thing what we had. Now, M64 is much brighter. Okay, let's go. Have to do some adjustments, obviously. I'm going to do right now is shut all of those pictures. Ooh, not bad. Not too bad at all. We certainly could benefit from a longer exposure though. But before I do that, I think, let me see now, we could probably increase the gain. I could change histogram, but that's going to change our dark field correction quite a lot. So I would say go to about 150. A bit brighter. Yeah, it's still pretty high actually. When I saw it go there, it is still usable. By that. Gamma. That. Yeah, that's what I was thinking there, Jack, actually. So if I'm going to go additive, I'm going to have to put back where I was with the gamma here. I have to go back with the histogram to where it was, which was 100. Okay, so we've got the dark field correction going. I'd say we could probably stack 3. Let's go with stack mode. Stack. All right, let's go. Engage. Enable. We're going to have the software engineers to say put engage instead of enable. So we'll go for 3 stacks. Or maybe 4. Maybe 4. Anyways, it's 3 now. We'll leave it at 3 and see what happens. Make it so, yes. Alright, let's see what's going to happen. Got a nice dark background and the dark field corrections engaged, so let's see what additive stacking will do, but only 3 of them. That's it at 3, yeah. So, and align the frames. So, works pretty good. Need a hell of a horsepower of a machine to run this, and split cam's not the way to do it while it's running, that's for sure. Come on, Jack, I'm always jealous of your weather, so never mind my skies. Yeah, but you know what the mosquitoes we're having here. Nice fireflies, though, that's for sure. A lot of them in the field here. Okay, so we got two inputs, one frame only. Well, so far this one is handling it well. I got 16 gig memory on this thing. Wow, look at that. That's a stack of two only. Holy shoots. That's cool. It's cool. I got to admit, look at the detail in the arms. That means the frame alignment is perfect. To be able to pull that out, it's quite. Oh, this is nice. Okay, it's coming up. Wow. That dark field correction is a killer, man. This is unbelievable. Whoa, this is cool. Holy cheap shit. This is nice. Very, very nice. That's impressive. Okay. Oh, whoa. I'm taking a picture of that sucker. Yeah, I better snap away. There you go. Wow. Wow, wow. Okay, let me try something then. I'm going to unenable it. Whoop. There you go. And the reason is I'm going to reset the histogram to darker, okay? And let's see what's going to happen. Wow, is this ever nice? Ouch. Very, very, very nice. No, 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 very nice, Jack. No vignetting. It's perfect. Yeah, Universe Focal Reducer is the best so far. By far. Look at the detail in there, Jack. This is amazing. Okay, we're going to stack 3 and with a different histogram setting. Actually, it's going to be back to 0 and 255. Hey, remember, this is running in 8 bits, not 12. I didn't try 12. I couldn't care less for 12. 8 is easier on this system. If I got to do imaging, then it's a different story. Then I would go 12 bits probably, but not something that I need right now. This is live. Whoop. Okay, so the histogram was too dark, I guess, but okay, let's see. Let's see what's going to happen here. Let's go with the stacking and go through the phase of all 3 frame being stacked. Yeah, it is. That's because I changed the histogram, Jack. Remember, I just put the histogram at default, not at 180. Let's wait for it to stack. There you go. Probably bump that up to 4 stack instead of with the histogram setting the way it is. Amazing, just amazing. Or we could go very, very short stacks, like a whole bunch of them, and go down like the 5 or 10 second exposure and stack 10 of them. Now we could do that. But longer exposures like this, you're certainly going to deliver a lot more. It's going to deliver a lot more punch when you stack. I hate bugs. Okay, this is 3 stacks there, Jack. This is not bad at all. We could probably stack a wee bit more. Very, very nice. Look at the stars. How to snap that sucker. Wow, look at that, Jack. Very smooth. That's 3-stack only and dark field correction. See how well that works? That's amazing. That is just amazing. Go here and darker. Much, but lower the gamma even more. The gamma and the histogram, I tell you, they're very, very important. I think so. That's why I choose 3. We're going to go with 3. Wow, see what the gamma did? Darkens, and it's quite nice. Let's reduce the... There you go. That's nicely framed. Very, very nice. Again, I could snap this, which I will. The actual picture. The actual picture there, Jack, that I just took. And edge. I really like this curve. So we yeah, we can adjust the individual colors as well. I mean, the parameters, even the software has so much features. They added a lot of stuff in it. Right hands, boy, I tell you, this is gonna else. Oh, that's sharp. Without the sharpness, and this is with the sharpness. Out. Okay, let's try the other one then. Process. Unsharp mask. This is harder to use a bit. And those stars, huh? Wow. Look at how sharp this is. This is incredible. Holy Moses. Okay. that sucks. Oh yeah. Wow, that's incredible. Look how sharp this is, Jack. This is unbelievable. Unbelievable. The beauty of this. This is, wow. I didn't have on the fly adjustments. I have to have a talk with them. Well, I think in the average stacking it will. Wow, this is incredible. I'm going to save this one, I think. Yeah, I'm going to save this guy here. This is nice sharpening in it, and call it M51. Stack of 40 seconds. All right, there you go. Actually, I certainly would like to try something here. Saturation to green. Actually, that's not what I need to do. We need to adjust the hue. We'll go one more stacking. So let's label this more stacking instead of. Okay, let's try this. I tell you, this thing is quite, they really hit the jackpot here on the software. Get things balanced out, do the proper start field correction, pre-adjust everything, and don't touch it out there. Just go with the stacking, and if you want to use stacking, that is. Just amazing, just amazing. Very good results. Certainly a workforce, and it's certainly a very powerful addition here for the camera for those who want to get into stacking. That's quite amazing. Oh yeah, it certainly got rid of a lot of the noise. Even if you mean stack or average stack, it doesn't matter. Average will be good for long exposure, but actual stacking is very good for short exposure. Can't wait to try the universe as well with the stacking on it. That's amazing. Stars are very nicely pinpoint. The alignment is done perfectly. Look at that. Hey, we got two stack image. So we're going to aim for 4 and see what it'll do. That's what I wanted to do. I want to change the colors in it. And to do that, it's the hue we need to change. That little bit until the next refresh. Lower the amount of green in there and then mix. What the hue does basically, just mixes the color. Oh. Oh, we got 3 of them, and we got one more stack coming up. So instead of 3, we're going to go for 4. That's interesting. Look at that, Jack. Extra stacking. It really did a lot here. Look at that. That is gorgeous. Well, this is a game changer. There's no question about it. Wow. It really looks like 3D. This is cool. Okay, let me... adjustments here. Wow, look at that, Jack. Holy Moses, this is nice. Right now I'm just playing. Well, you don't want to do white balance while you're stacking. This is not a good thing to do. White balance should be done on a single frame and a longer frame, but you need to be on something white. Something quite bright, eh? Oh. Amazing, just amazing. Actually, that would look really good on M82. It's easier than ever to do imaging now. Anybody can do this with any scope, really, regardless of the F ratio. F ratio is no longer a concern when you got an actual stacking like that. Anybody could do this, even with a little AG at 199 bucks. It'd be a breeze. You don't need a big camera. Yeah, I think the engineer really hit the nail on the head on that one. Certainly did it. Wow. Oh, this is nice now. Okay, I gotta take a snap of this guy. And processing in there, look at that. What's HMS? Oh, look at that, okay. Hey, let's play with this a little bit. Oh, holy Moses, okay. Yeah, this is nice. Oof. Holy Moses. Okay, I like that. Wow, Jack, look at that. Don't need to use anything else. The image is perfect the way it is. Okay. All right. How about if we go now a little bit of sharpness? Oh. Yes, no. That's... Oh man, this is nice. Jumping, gee whiz, Jack, this is nice. Image processing in there is quite powerful. This is unbelievable. Very, very powerful software. Don't need anything else. Look at this. I'd say so. I'm going to save this guy. This is nice. That don't look good anymore. Sorry. Go back to where it was. There you go. Oh, I must admit, this is fun. It certainly is there, Simon. Holy jumping gee whiz, this is fun. Oh, cool. Oh well, something happened here, but don't matter. We got pretty good results. Wow. pretty happy with this, folks, that's for sure. Yes, it is. Dewey, it's exactly what I'm using. Nobody else has this, okay? Nobody else has this software except for myself, Jack, and you've got that copy here for you to test on the SLP. So just download it and remove your other one that you have and install that version I just sent you, okay? Oh yeah, it was. We should post a nice report on the MallinCam group for this one. I think it'll be educational for everybody. This is nice. Wow. Very impressive. Well, I'm going to be pulling the plug, folks. That's good enough for me, and thank you very much for being here. It's Canada Day tomorrow, so we're off. The whole Canada's off. Hopefully to do some solar at some point. So Jack, we'll talk to you later for sure. We'll talk to you tomorrow. And have a good night, Simon, Dewey, and everybody else that's on there. Thank you very much for being here. It's a lot of fun. And I think the software is a winner. It's going to be ready to be released. We're going to release this guy for sure to everyone. All right. You have a good night, everyone. Thank you again.